Diytaj tires. I've got a VW Polo here on a 2008-2009 plate. Now, doing the side light bulb on this on the passenger side front, which is this one here, that's not working. That one there is working. Now, it's just quite a simple procedure on these ones because, as you can see yourself, there is enough room for you to work in. Like other cars like Peugeots and Citroens, you don't have enough space to do the bulbs, but this one has. Now the one that we're doing, it's a quite simple one. It's a side light bulb. You can see on from the bulb lens itself, it's the one on the top right hand side. That's the main dip beam, that's the full beam right here. To do this, you've got to remove the cover. Right, once you remove this cover, all you then do is that black plug right there. So you got to just see if you can get your fingers in there and wiggle and then gently pull. If you can't get your fingers in, gently pull from the cable itself, or if you put a screwdriver right there and then just wiggle it a little bit, but it has to be gentle so you don't want to break it. Now this one is a bit tight. Such an awkward one as well. There we go, that's out. Now that's the bulb we need to replace. So it is a 501 bulb. I already got a bulb out here. You can find these bulbs on Amazon. I'll have a link in there as well. So that's the number right there. That's what you need. So you can click the link if you're not too sure where to buy it from. And it is a capless bulb, just right there. So all I now do is slot the bulb in. There's only one way the bulb would go. Unfortunately, I'm working on my own, recording and replacing the bulb at the same time. It's not rocket science. All you got to then do is slot it through that hole right there and push it in. So make sure it's pushed in. That's lovely. All I now do is check, make sure it's working. So I put the side lights on. Now you can see right there. This is brilliant. That's working now. That's all you got to do on this particular model. Make sure you put everything back together. If there is anything else you need to know with regards to VW Polos, there is a playlist for VWs. Do check it out. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like the videos as well. That'd be great. Thank you. Goodbye.